Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to fix TikTok not eligible for your feed. Now I have a few steps here. Let me just check. I also have screenshots for you guys. So I have up to step 5 here, up to of course conclusions for the last part. Now step 1, check your account status. Open TikTok app, tap on the profile icon, tap 3 line menu or the hamburger icon, settings and privacy, go to account, and make sure your account is not set to private. And this is how it should look like. So top 3 dots right there, settings and privacy, tap report the problem, and then of course tap video not eligible for your feed. Now moving over, this one right here for step 2 is going to be the 3 dots. Again guys, same drill for this one. So tap on account, privacy safety. Now for this one right here, go to community guidelines. Rather than earlier, we're going to go for a different section. Step 2 is going to be focusing on community guidelines. Alright? Now, after that, step 3, ensure your video quality and format. So upload the videos in high resolution. Avoid using copyrighted music anywhere, not just TikTok. You should not avoid, or rather, you should not violate any copyright law. So ensure your content is engaging and adheres to community standards. That is going to be very important. 4, if it's still not working, clear cache and update the app. This is my favorite step on troubleshooting on any problems I have. I always clear the cache and update the application. Worst case scenario, I uninstall and reinstall the application. Alright? So tap free up space, clear the cache, and visit your device app store to ensure TikTok account or TikTok application is up to date. Of course, step 5, contact TikTok support if necessary. If all of the steps mentioned above are still not working, this is the time we're going to contact customer support. Of course, lastly, conclusion. Following up with the above steps should help resolve the issue. And then basically, lastly again, contact customer support if it's not working. But I rarely think this will happen because this one right here, this is the most powerful step right there. Clear the cache and update the app. Take note about this one and you'll be good to go. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.